Hello, dear friends. Doesn't the vibrant energy of plants spark joy in your homes? Today, we'll explore the magic of growing indoor plants in water, a simple, clean, and joyful way to invite nature's tranquility inside. Imagine crystal-clear vases showcasing the graceful roots of your plant, a symphony of nature's art. It's easier than you think, and the rewards are abundant. Let's embark on this journey of cultivating green companions that cleanse the air and uplift our spirits. Looking for low-maintenance indoor plants that don't need soil? Growing plants in water is a simple, mess-free way to add greenery to your home. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 indoor plants that thrive in water and how to care for them. Let's dive in! Our first guest is the lucky bamboo, known scientifically as Dracaena sanderiana. It's not a true bamboo, but rather a tropical plant that thrives in water. Picture this: sleek green stalks gracefully reaching upwards, their roots like delicate fingers embracing the clear water. In many cultures, lucky bamboo symbolizes prosperity, good fortune, and positive energy. Holding a lucky bamboo stalk, doesn't it inspire a sense of calm and optimism? Their care is as simple as their beauty. Choose a container that sparks joy, perhaps a clear vase that allows you to admire the roots. Fill it with distilled or filtered water, changing it every 7 to 10 days to keep the water fresh and clear. Remember, lucky bamboo thrives in bright, indirect sunlight. Avoid placing it in direct sunlight as it can scorch the leaves. Just like us, these green companions enjoy gentle morning or filtered afternoon light. Imagine the gentle sunlight illuminating the water, creating a dance of light and shadow around your lucky bamboo. It's a beautiful reminder of nature's simple pleasures. As your lucky bamboo grows, you can trim the stalks and propagate new plants, sharing the joy and good fortune with others. Next, we welcome the vibrant pothos, also known as devil's ivy, a testament to its resilience. This heart-shaped beauty is a champion air purifier, removing toxins and inviting fresh energy into your home. Imagine its cascading vines, each leaf a vibrant shade of green, adding a touch of the tropics to your space. Pothos are remarkably adaptable and thrive in water. Simply take a cutting from a healthy plant, ensuring it has at least 3 to 4 leaves and a node, the little bump where the leaves grow. Place the cutting in a jar of water, ensuring the node is submerged. The water acts as a lifeline, providing the plant with the necessary nutrients. Observe the roots delicately reaching out, anchoring the plant and drawing sustenance. It's a beautiful reminder of nature's resilience and adaptability. Place your pothos in moderate to bright indirect light and watch it flourish. Direct sunlight can be too harsh, just like exposing our skin for too long. Remember to refresh the water every week or two, providing your pothos with a revitalizing drink. As your pothos thrives, it will reward you with lush growth and vibrant foliage. You can even train its vines to climb trellises or cascade from shelves, creating a stunning display of natural beauty. Chapter 3. Now, let's meet the charming spider plant, a symbol of abundance and effortless propagation. This plant is like a dear friend who readily shares its joy. It produces offshoots or spiderets that easily grow into new plants. Imagine a cascade of these spiderets, each one a promise of new life and verdant beauty. To propagate a spider plant in water, gently snip off a spideret and place it in a jar or vase of fresh water. Ensure that the base of the spideret, where it was attached to the mother plant, is submerged in water. Within days, you'll notice tiny roots beginning to emerge, like delicate threads reaching for nourishment. It's a beautiful testament to the miracle of life unfolding right before your eyes. Place your spider plant in bright, indirect light and watch as it thrives in its watery home. The water acts as a nurturing cradle, providing the plant with the essential elements it needs to flourish. As your spider plant grows, it will purify the air, creating a sense of freshness and tranquility in your home. And just like the joy it brings, you can easily share this plant with friends and family by simply snipping off a spideret and starting the propagation process anew. Chapter 4. Let's welcome the graceful Philodendron, a plant that embodies elegance and adaptability. Their heart-shaped leaves add a touch of the tropics to your home. Imagine their trailing vines gracefully cascading from shelves or hanging planters, creating a sense of movement and life. Philodendrons are surprisingly easy to grow in water. Simply take a stem cutting with at least 1 leaf and a node, that little bump where the leaves sprout. Place the cutting in a jar or vase filled with fresh, clean water, ensuring the node is submerged. Within a week or two, you'll notice delicate roots beginning to emerge, anchoring the plant and drawing nourishment from the water. It's fascinating to observe this transformation, a testament to nature's ability to thrive in unexpected places. Place your philodendron in bright, indirect light, protecting it from harsh sunlight that can scorch its leaves. Just like us, plants need the right balance of light and shade to thrive. And remember to refresh the water weekly, providing your philodendron with a revitalizing drink. As your philodendron flourishes, it will reward you with lush foliage and a sense of tranquility. Its presence can transform a room, adding a touch of natural elegance and creating a sense of peace. Chapter 5. Finally, let's meet the elegant Chinese Evergreen, a plant known for its resilience and tolerance for lower light conditions. Imagine its striking foliage, often variegated with shades of green, silver, and cream, adding a touch of artistry to your home. Chinese evergreens are surprisingly adaptable and thrive in water. Simply take a stem cutting with at least one node and place it in a jar or vase filled with fresh water. Ensure that the node is submerged, as this is where the roots will emerge. Within a week or two, you'll notice tiny roots beginning to sprout, anchoring the plant and drawing sustenance from the water. It's a beautiful reminder that even in the simplest of environments, life finds a way to flourish. Place your Chinese evergreen in a warm spot with indirect light, protecting it from harsh sunlight. Remember to refresh the water every 10 days or so, providing your plant with a revitalizing drink. As your Chinese evergreen thrives, it will purify the air, removing toxins and creating a healthier living environment. Its elegant foliage will add a touch of sophistication to your home, creating a sense of peace and tranquility.